morning. We're from Sygma Engineering. My name is ENGR.
My name is Matthew.
My name is Dirty.
I'm Austin.
I'm Brent.
And we're here to present the logo robot person. So this is our old experiment. The name is Tribot. The robot is like grab the ball.
And we also use a force sensor for this ball, the touch sensor. When the touch sensor taps the ball and it will grab the ball. And we also use the sound sensor to control it, to let it start or to let it grab the ball. And the light sensor, I believe we can when the flashlight under the cover the light sensor, so it will freak out like turn right or turn left. So this is our first design.
Yeah, and we ended up deciding to scrap this one and start over because we thought it was, you know, it was kind of good practice and stuff, and then but we thought we wanted to do something a little bit different, and we ended up having a little bit of time to work with, so we ended up scrapping this one and started working on the Scorpion robot. So we want to go ahead and know the Scorpion one.
Yeah, so we this is our robot right here. So we made the Scorpion, and I'll demonstrate it right now on how we used all the sensors. You turn it on, and we used the sound sensor for that. For the ultrasonic sensor, it'll sting you, and we use the, as soon as it stings, it'll come back. And the light sensor, you put the box on, it stops. And it starts again. It'll just keep going.
Just keep going.
Play turn.
So yeah, and we ended up, you know, I thought it turned out pretty nice. And one of the things that I really liked was the original Scorpion robot, the claws, they're stationary, and so they just sit there for decoration. So what we did was actually, Austin kind of worked on, his whole project was, he wanted to figure out the best way to make it so that the claws would move when it walked, and he ended up figuring out a nice little piston design that worked out that way. So I was pretty amazed at it. It was pretty cool. So that's one of my favorite parts. So yeah, and that's our robot.
Do you have any programming?
Yes, I have the program right here. I can show you. This is the program I used for it, and it's just basically running a loop. So you start it off with the sound at the beginning, and then it just runs this continuous loop of it walks, and then the light sensor, when it's activated, it'll stop. And then when the light sensor is reactivated, it'll start going again. That's the box loop. And then this other loop down here is just the stinging one, where it triggers the ultrasonic sensor, which will have the stinger go forward, and then the touch sensor will bring it back to place. So, pretty simple.
Any question? Everybody get the idea for the programming? And that is really nice, and it's really simple, but kind of the unlimited kind of the loop. So that's a really nice idea.
Yeah, unlimited loops are way nicer than brake loops.
Yeah.
And 2 branches, right? That is also a nice idea.
Yeah.
Okay, any question?
Did you use the animals thing to build it, or did you build this as a branch out of your own?
No, we used their design,
Yeah.
and I think the things that we ended up changing were we made a few modifications, whereas the claws thing, and then we ended up modifying the stinger just a little bit, putting a few more pieces on it to make it a little different. But other than that, we used their design. But the program was we made up the new program. So yeah.
Anything? Yep. Thank you.